All right, today we got the ultimate green bean chicken casserole. Start with a cup of milk. And then we're gonna take 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. That was a...
Why is it gray?
What do you mean? That's how it always is.
Oh.
A little bit of pepper, sprinkle that on there. Don't want to over pepper, but don't want to under pepper. I get a little bit of salt. And we're gonna get about a teaspoon worth of garlic. There we go. And half a teaspoon of onion powder. Sounds a little chunky in there. There we go.
Just how we like it.
So we're gonna whisk this mixture together before we add the other dry ingredients. All right, now that we got that whisked together, we're gonna add, so I sauteed half an onion and 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms that we're gonna add to that. About 2 cups of rotisserie chicken that I shredded, pulled apart a little bit. And we're gonna do 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, which is about half this bag. Now we're talking, baby.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna mix all that, make sure it gets nice and folded together. At least we're gonna add in about a cup's worth of French onions into the mixture. Fried French onions.
Yeah.
Most importantly, it wouldn't be green bean casserole without the green beans. So we're gonna put 24 ounces, already cooked this, of green beans. And this is the last part we gotta mix into the bowl.
Just kind of fold it all
Before
together.
we put it into our baking dish, yeah. All right, so we got that good and mixed on in there. Now that we have that, we're gonna take this and dump it in our 9x13 baking dish. Nice hearty casserole right here. All right. Now that we got that, we're gonna just spread it, make sure it's nice and even. Awesome. And we got the oven set to 350. We're gonna put it in there for about 25 minutes, and then we gotta take it out and do one other step.
Okay.
All right. Okay, now that we've had it baking for about 25 minutes or so, gotta do the final stage. So we're gonna take the second half of this bag, so 1 more cup of sharp cheddar, and just go over the top.
Just gotta watch out for burning yourself.
Yeah, be careful. We promote safety on this channel. And then, sorry, I need to, that's my OCD. There we go. All right, and then we're gonna take about another cup's worth of French onions and just kind of sprinkle them over the top. What kind of green bean chicken casserole wouldn't have French onions on top? You know what I mean? This is America. All right, it's looking pretty good. I was about to grab that with my hands.
I'm glad you didn't.
All right, so we're gonna put it back in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Let it get bubbling up in there. All right, let's take a look. Ultimate green bean chicken casserole. Woo, baby.
Look at that.
Man, that looks perfect.
Looks phenomenal.
This is like a perfect fall casserole. If you just want some yummy at night, or you got some relatives coming over, or something for Thanksgiving, or really just, it's just good all around. Yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down for a second. We'll come try it, see how it is.
This looks awesome.
It does. Let's get a little cut right here. Well, it's still steaming. I'm gonna be careful when I'm eating this.
Don't burn your tongue.
Looks really good. Oh yeah. Make sure I get a little chicken on there too.
That's a good bite.
Gotta have everything. think Cohen likes it.
Cohen smells them onions.
Mmm.
Delicious.
That was really good. That might be my favorite green bean casserole I've had.
Wow.
Like, and I've had a lot in my life because, you know, I'm American.
Amen.
God bless.